Introducing the Regis DRTQ-160-Z touch screen torque tester, a revolutionary tool that will redefine your torque measurement experience. With its cutting-edge features and user-friendly interface, the DRTQ-160-Z is the ultimate solution for quality control and assembly applications. Featuring a vibrant and intuitive full-color LCD touchscreen, the DRTQ-160-Z provides a seamless user experience. Easily navigate through menus, access real-time data, and configure settings with just a few touches. The DRTQ-160-Z boasts a wide torque measuring range of 16.00 to 160 in DAWs, 0.11 to 1.13 Newton-meters, making it suitable for a variety of applications. Whether you're working with small, delicate components or larger assemblies, the DRTQ-160-Z has you covered. This advanced torque tester is equipped with powerful statistical functions, including CP, CPK, and sigma calculations. With these capabilities, you can assess process capability, evaluate the consistency of your torque measurements, and make informed decisions to optimize your assembly processes. Effortlessly export your torque data directly to an SD card for further analysis. The DRTQ-160-Z also features on-screen graphing capabilities, allowing you to visualize trends and identify areas for improvement. The DRTQ-160-Z offers a range of user-programmable options, including auto-clear, date/time settings, peak time adjustment, and screen brightness control. Customize the device to suit your specific needs and preferences. With its accuracy of 0.5%, resolution of 0.01 in DAWs, 0.001 nm, and multiple units of measure, the DRTQ-160-Z ensures precise and reliable torque measurements. Powered by an AC adapter or Li-ion battery, this tester provides up to 8 hours of continuous use. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Regis DRTQ-160-Z touchscreen torque tester. Its combination of advanced features, user-friendly interface, and wide torque range make it an indispensable tool for quality control and assembly professionals. Invest in the DRTQ-160-Z and experience precision, efficiency, and reliability in your torque measurement tasks.